creating college and tutor. In the presentation, we will talk about the importance of exchanging fossil energies for clean energies. In my opinion, the world must greatly accelerate the change in energy source from fossil fuel source of coal and oil to energy that do not have a negative impact on the environment, which have problems such as pollution that generates greenhouse gas that are main cause of the increments in global temperature, which has devastating consequences on the planet and which finally worsen the current climate situation. Okay, according to Copernicus platform, which is one of the source in information provided the United States, the United Nations. 2019 was the hottest year in the post-industrial era. In addition to the information, we also say that currently some 860 million people in the world still lack access to electricity. 2018, which requires to a large additional effort in the development of clean energies to achievement universal access to electricity. Electricity by 2030 on the Sustainable Development Goals approved in the United States, particularly in Sub-Saharan Africa. For this reason, one of the objectives set by United Nations is to achieve universal access to electricity to 30,000, an ambitious goal considered that according to estimates there will still be 18 million people without access to supply on the date electric to follow the current trend. Assuming we made a switch from fossil fuels to clean energy quickly, the effects on the environment and climate will be almost immediate, which we could see during the pandemic time and especially at the beginning of 2020, where the long consumption of fossil fuels and three-fourths less greenhouse gas emission was generates the important change in the global climate. Okay, this is why my opinion. We should all start making to change from fossil fuels to renewable energies such as with clean energy, solar energy, wind energy, hydropower energy, and geothermal energy. Thank you.